Hello everyone. Today we're going to write a program to input 5 numbers, accept both positive and negative numbers, but stop the program when 0 is entered, and also print the count of positive and negative numbers. So let's start writing a program. I'll take a variable count, initialize it to 0, pause C to count positive numbers and next C to count negative numbers. Using the while loop, while bracket count is less than 5 colon num is equals to int bracket input, the input statement, enter number. Now if a condition statement bracket num double equals to 0, that means we are checking break, a keyword in Python to end the program. Elif, if num is not equal to 0, then if num is greater than 0, that means it's a positive number, so we'll add it in pause C. So pause C is equals to pause C plus 1. Else, so if number is not 0 nor positive, then obviously it's a negative number, so neg count is equals to neg count plus 1, and also count is equals to count plus 1. At last we'll print our results. Print bracket count of positive numbers is bracket pause C. I'm just gonna copy this statement and write it for negative numbers. Now running the program. So I'll just enter some random numbers and the count is printed after 5 numbers. Now if I enter a 0 before 5 numbers, then the count is printed before.